Are you tired of spending hours editing videos, manually adding captions, or feeling like you're stuck in front of the camera? Well, I've got a secret to share with you today. In 2025, AI is revolutionizing content creation, and I'm about to reveal my top 3 favorite tools that will save you time, boost engagement, and make your content go viral. First up, AI video clipping. Imagine turning one long video into 10 viral clips for TikTok or Instagram Reels in just minutes. Here's how it works. Upload your video or your YouTube link, choose your settings, and that's it. The AI identifies key moments, reframes for vertical platforms, and even adds captions. Plus, it gives each clip a virality score so you know which ones are likely to perform best. No more guesswork. Next up, AI animated captions. If you've ever manually added captions, you know it's a nightmare. Upload your video, click generate captions, and watch the AI transcribe everything instantly. Choose from preset styles or customize to match your brand. Font, color, animations, it's all there. Need to edit a word, just click and type. It's that simple. And with 85% of social media videos watched on mute, these captions are a game changer for engagement. Last but not least, AI avatar. This is perfect for when you need to create content but don't want to be on camera, or for businesses wanting a consistent brand spokesperson. Choose from dozens of realistic avatars. Type your script and let Kuso.ai generate a professional-looking video, complete with natural gestures and lip syncing. It's ideal for product updates, company announcements, or even creating multi-language content without hiring voice actors. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, my top 3 AI tools for dominating social media with Kuso.ai. You're now equipped to revolutionize your content strategy. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI content creation tips. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. See you in the next one.